Hi, we're Bud and Broadway from New Country 92.3.
And when you're spending time with your family this holiday season, there's a right way, and there's the Broadway. The right way. Woo! And the Broadway. The right way.
Come on, bro.
And the Broadway. The right way. And the Broadway.
So when you're spending time with your family this holiday season, do it in style.
And comfort.
With your new RV from Travers RV in Eureka.
And
Travers St. Louis RV in O'Fallon, Missouri.
part of the Travers Automotive and RV Group.
Dude, I ate dog food.
That was weird.
That's good.